Have you ever wondered what secrets lie behind the delicate and colorful wings of butterflies? These fluttering beauties have captivated our hearts and imaginations for centuries, their enchanting dance a testament to the magic of nature. But there's more to these creatures than meets the eye. Butterflies, part of the Lepidoptera family, aren't just beautiful. They're complex beings with unique characteristics that make them stand out in the animal kingdom. There are over 20,000 species of butterflies worldwide, each one boasting different colors, patterns, and sizes. From the smallest western pygmy blue to the largest Queen Alexandra's birdwing, the diversity is truly astounding. But what makes these creatures truly fascinating is their life cycle. A journey of transformation that begins as a tiny egg, morphs into a caterpillar, then a chrysalis, and finally emerges as the butterfly we know and love. It's a process that symbolizes rebirth and change, a testament to nature's wonder. And let's not forget their feeding habits. Contrary to popular belief, butterflies don't just sip nectar. They're also known to partake in a behavior called mud puddling, where they gather on wet soil to obtain vital nutrients. Some species even feed on rotting fruit, tree sap, and dung, proving that beauty doesn't always equate to a refined palate. Butterflies also perform one of the most impressive feats in the animal kingdom: migration. Some species, like the monarch butterfly, travel thousands of miles to escape the cold winters, a journey that requires immense endurance and navigational skills. But these fascinating creatures are under threat. Habitat loss, climate change, and pesticide use are endangering many butterfly species. It's a loss that would not only rob us of their beauty but also disrupt ecosystems, as butterflies play crucial roles as pollinators and as part of the food chain. So let's dive deeper into the enchanting world of butterflies and uncover their secrets. Let's learn, appreciate, and protect these delicate beings, for they hold the key to understanding our world's intricate web of life. Did you know that a butterfly's life is a journey of constant transformation? Just like us, they go through changes, but their transformations are nothing short of magical. The first stage of a butterfly's life cycle starts with a tiny egg, often no larger than a pinhead. The female butterfly lays her eggs with precision, carefully choosing a plant that will provide the right food for her offspring. This plant is known as the host plant, and it is the first home for the soon-to-be caterpillar. Soon, the egg cracks open and out crawls a caterpillar, ready to begin its life of constant eating. The caterpillar stage is all about growth. In fact, it's not uncommon for a caterpillar to increase its body size by more than 1,000 times as it eats its way through leaves and stems, preparing for the next stage of its life. And then comes the magic. The caterpillar wraps itself in a protective casing called a chrysalis, marking the beginning of the pupa stage. Within this chrysalis, the caterpillar undergoes a complete transformation. Cells rearrange, structures dissolve and reform, and what emerges is something entirely different from what went in. It's a process called metamorphosis, a Greek word meaning transformation or change in shape. And it's a fitting name, for when the chrysalis finally opens, out flies a butterfly. It's hard to believe that this delicate winged creature was once a crawling caterpillar. Butterflies in their adult stage are a marvel of nature. Their wings, a canvas of intricate patterns and vibrant colors, are actually made up of thousands of tiny scales. They feed on nectar, fluttering from flower to flower, and in doing so play an essential role in pollination. The life of a butterfly is a testament to nature's magic and the power of change. From egg to caterpillar, from caterpillar to butterfly, each stage is a necessary part of the journey, each transformation a step towards becoming a masterpiece. Isn't it amazing how a crawling caterpillar turns into a flying masterpiece of nature? A testament to the power of transformation, butterflies are a reminder that change, though it may be hard, can lead to beautiful outcomes. You might think butterflies only sip nectar from flowers, but did you know their diet is more diverse than that? Indeed, these colorful creatures have quite the eclectic palate. While it's true most of their diet does consist of sweet, energy-rich nectar, they also partake in some pretty unusual dining habits. For instance, they have been known to feed on tree sap, especially when flowers are not readily available. Rotting fruit? It's like a gourmet feast for them, providing much-needed sugars and nutrients. And it doesn't stop there. Some butterflies also consume pollen, dung, and, yes, even blood from carrion. It might seem a bit gruesome, but it's all about survival. These varied diets allow butterflies to thrive in diverse habitats, from lush gardens to dense forests, and while they're sipping and sampling, they're also busy pollinating, making them vital players in our ecosystems. So, butterflies are not just about beauty, they also play a crucial role in pollination. Have you ever heard about the great migration of monarch butterflies? Now there's a marvel that truly boggles the mind. These delicate creatures with wings as fragile as tissue paper undertake an epic journey every year. They travel thousands of miles from the cold climes of Canada all the way down to the warm embrace of Mexico. This is not a simple day trip, oh no. The monarch butterfly's migration is a months-long journey, a feat that remains a mystery to scientists. How do these tiny creatures know when to leave, where to go, and how to get there? These are questions that continue to perplex us. You see, butterflies, unlike birds, don't have a homing instinct. They can't rely on memory or landmarks to guide them. Instead, they use the sun as a compass, adjusting their flight path throughout the day to stay on course. But that alone doesn't explain how they manage to find the same wintering grounds year after year. One theory suggests that the butterflies are guided by the Earth's magnetic field, similar to how sea turtles navigate. Another theory speculates that they follow a scent trail, or pheromones, left behind by previous generations. Scientists are still working to unravel this enthralling mystery. But there's another puzzle that adds to the mystery. You see, the butterflies that return to Canada in the spring are not the same ones that left in the fall. In fact, they are the grandchildren or even great-grandchildren of the original migrants. So how do these new generations know where to go, having never made the journey before? It's a question that keeps scientists on their toes. These questions highlight the astounding complexity of nature and the life of butterflies. From their transformative life cycle to their extraordinary migration, every aspect of a butterfly's life is a testament to the wonder of evolution and the intricate balance of our natural world. The migration of butterflies is one of nature's most wonderful spectacles. It's a testament to the resilience and tenacity of these vibrant, colorful creatures, and it's a reminder of the mysteries that still exist in our world, waiting to be explored and understood. Butterflies are not just beautiful, they are also vital for our ecosystem. But why should we protect them? Let's delve into the critical roles these wonderful creatures play in our world. Firstly, butterflies are pollinators. As they flutter from flower to flower, sipping nectar, they're also inadvertently transferring pollen, helping plants reproduce. This process is crucial for our food supply. Many of the fruits and vegetables we consume rely on pollinators like butterflies. Moreover, butterflies are a food source for other animals. Birds, bats, spiders, and even other insects rely on butterflies and their caterpillars for nourishment. A decline in butterfly populations can have a ripple effect on these predators, disrupting the balance of our ecosystem. However, despite their importance, butterflies face numerous threats. Habitat loss is a significant concern. As we continue to develop land for housing, agriculture, and industry, butterflies are losing the meadows, forests, and grasslands they call home. Climate change is another formidable enemy. As temperatures rise and weather patterns become more unpredictable, butterflies struggle to adapt. Many species have specific climate requirements for their life cycles. If these conditions are not met, they cannot survive. Pesticides pose a further threat. These chemicals, often used in agriculture and gardening, can be deadly to butterflies. Even those that do not kill them directly can harm them by reducing the availability of their food sources, the plants they rely on for nectar and laying eggs. This is why we must advocate for butterfly conservation. By preserving their habitats, reducing our use of harmful chemicals, and taking action against climate change, we can ensure that these beautiful creatures continue to grace our world with their presence. But protecting butterflies isn't just about preserving beauty. It's about maintaining the health of our planet. These delicate creatures are an essential part of our ecosystem, and their decline could have far-reaching consequences. Remember, by protecting butterflies, we are also protecting the health of our planet. So, the next time you see a butterfly fluttering by, remember there's much more to these creatures than their vibrant wings. These captivating insects lead a life of transformation, beginning as humble caterpillars and blossoming into vibrant winged marvels. They nourish themselves with much more than just nectar, feasting on a banquet of fruits, tree sap, and even dung. Their migration patterns are a mystery that continues to baffle scientists, with some species traveling thousands of miles to places they've never seen before. Butterflies are not just aesthetic additions to our world. They play a crucial role in our ecosystem, pollinating plants and serving as a food source for other species. Their decline could upset the delicate balance of nature, so let's appreciate these winged wonders. Let's protect them, not just for their beauty, but for the essential role they play in our world. Let's all do our part to ensure that future generations can also marvel at the beauty and wonder of butterflies.